Alright, hey everybody, we're here with a new Garmin product. It's been out for a couple months, which is the Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa. This is the higher end version of the Garmin Speak. Basically, it is an Amazon Alexa speaker that you pair with your smartphone inside your vehicle, and the plus aspect is the integrated dash cam. So we're going to show you how I quickly get it set up here on the truck, and I'll show you the kind of the apps that I use so far, which is Garmin Speak, Garmin Virb, and the Amazon Alexa app to get things going. So let's go take a look. So there it is. Inside the box, you really only have the device, the USB to 12 volt cable, and some very brief instructions as to where to place the camera. And once you have it plugged in, you got a couple buttons here to manually activate Alexa. And also on the other side, you'll have an SD card slot for memory. It comes with 4 gigs. Which is about 40 minutes of 1280 video. You can see here the camera's still on, so it will respond to the Alexa app or Alexa name. So let's show you quickly how I got this set up here in the truck. So basically, very simple. I put it kind of centered next to the rear view mirror, or the center mirror. Basically, the cable is just tucked underneath here, and then just run it through to the back. And see here a little piece here that didn't get quite tucked in. You run it through. There's a little bit of give here, so you can jam the wire in here, and then you can run it underneath your weather stripping here between the door, and just go all the way down. And once you get down to here, you can actually lift this up to access your wiring harnesses and run it through. And then what I did here, I just pass it through, put it underneath the seat, goes underneath the seat, and goes underneath, goes up the side console, and then in this case here, just goes into there. We won't go through the setup wizard. It's fairly straightforward, but by default, video will start recording once it turns on. And using your smartphone data plan, it will access Alexa services, and you can also use Garmin turn-by-turn navigation. So let's do some navigating. Alexa, ask Garmin to navigate to Oakfield Provincial Park.
I found a result. Oakfield Provincial Park is 7 kilometers away on Oakfield Park Road. Is that okay?
Yes.
Getting directions. You should arrive at 8:48. Continue to Highway 2.
When you're navigating with Garmin, it will give you the speed limit alerts and also the lane changes alert, also proximity. One of the features I really enjoy is as you're getting close to a turn activity, the ring slowly fills up with green, and if you need to do a turn, you'll get that side amber bar. So those are nice visual cues. Let's actually look at some actual dash footage here, and you can see the data overlay fields that you can put on top of the video. Date, coordinates, and speed, very nice. And when you're accessing the Alexa features, you just say, Alexa, ask Garmin. So let's do some stuff here. Alexa, ask Garmin to save video.
Okay, video saved.
Alexa, ask Garmin to take a picture.
Okay, picture saved.
Let's look at some of the apps. We're using Speak, Virb, and Alexa. Speak is really the gateway of using the device to the rest of your phone. Here you can do a couple of things when it's connected. We'll take a look at Virb in a second here, but just to let you know, it gives you the status of the recording. You can view the gallery. You can manually save video or take a picture. You get your forward collision, lane departure, or the go alert, driver assistance. And you can also add some Alexa skill. You can also use Garmin to find some places.
I found several results. Tim Hortons is 4.3 kilometers away on Highway 2. Is that okay?
And then you can just say yes, no, or cancel search.
Search canceled.
Alright, so with that, we can simply use the app to save a video. I think it's about a minute video, or save a picture. And then we can use the Virb app to connect via Wi-Fi to the camera so that we can download it to our phone. So let's do this right now. We'll hit continue, and we're going to switch to Wi-Fi. The camera becomes pretty much inoperative when you want to connect via Wi-Fi, so you can access the files on it. And once you have Virb installed, there's really no configuration. The wizard, as long as you have Speak and Virb kind of installed, everything kind of happens automatically for the first time, and it's really simple. Here's our gallery of footage that we've recorded last day or two, and simply can either tap open one of the items to either view the image or view the video. You can sort. So let's just open something up here, and let's tap on the X. We can also use the app to visualize or position our camera to make sure that we have it properly aligned to the truck. Alright, so now let's say we want to share a video, let's say include a video in this video. So let's tap on the share button and let's see what, how much of this footage we want to keep. I want to bring all of it, so we're going to tap on next. And now this is the part that takes a little while to download. It takes a few minutes to transfer via Wi-Fi. Once it's done, you get two buttons, which is the download to your photo roll, or you can use the share, which shares using the default options on your phone, either iPhone or Android. And let's flip back. Now to add Amazon Alexa skills, we need the Amazon Alexa app installed. So that's why I said you get 3 apps that you need installed. And here, this is nice to get things kind of set up. I personally like to go under the skills and try to find something new to put on. I like news, I like the trivia, I also like a few other things. So let's go under settings here, and that's where you'll find most of it. Music and media, for example, if you have a Prime membership, you have access to Amazon Music as your default station. Default music library is Spotify, but it doesn't seem to be working right now with Garmin Speak. Alright, hey guys, that's about it for the Garmin Speak Plus. Let me know in the comments what you think about this device, some of the other Alexa skills you have it running, and other general comments. So we'll talk to you guys next time.